就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to a round of Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you the phrase called to waste or 浪费。
浪费。
浪费，你认为我们生活中什么时候会最浪费时间呢？
等啊。
等，对，等人啦，或者是等餐厅啊。
是啊。
A lot of times, like a lot of restaurants here in Taiwan has a long wait, a long line, and there's a lot of time wasted in it. And sometimes it's better if you go and reserve it beforehand, okay? 其实可以提前先定位，不要浪费时间排队嘛。
是啊。
Right? So let's put you in that situation, not to waste too much time waiting in line. So first, the phrase is 浪费。
浪费。
浪费 that means to waste. 好，我们现在的状况就是要去餐厅吃饭咯。
OK.
这家餐厅很多人推荐，我们去吃吧。This restaurant has a lot of recommendations, and let's go try it out.
亚健传堂。
亚健传堂。
东岛人推荐。
东岛人推荐。
俺来去适合嘞。
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 俺来去就有点像绕过去的感觉。
我们来去吃吧。
我们去吃吧。OK， 俺来去适合啊，我们一起去吃。That means to eat, and then 推荐 recommend.
推荐。
推荐 OK, that is to recommend the restaurant 餐厅。
传堂。
传堂 that is a restaurant， 好像一个食堂的感觉。对啊，
餐厅嘛。
对，餐厅。All right, 那我先定位。Let me go ahead and reserve it first.
给我先来煮文味耶。
给我先来煮文味耶。煮文听起来就是订东西，对不对？
对。
所以后面的 V 是
V 就是位置。
Oh, okay. So 煮文 means to book something, to reserve something, but V is actually a seat. So to book a seat, that makes sense. 好啊，这样子就不会浪费时间了。Good. Then we won't waste time in line, basically, right?
好啊。
好啊。
按用手唔會。
按用手唔會。
浪費時間嘞。
浪費時間嘞。Let's review some of these terms, including the restaurant, 餐廳。
傳堂。
傳堂 and then recommend, 推薦。
推薦。
推薦 and then to reserve, 要定位好了啦。Okay, to reserve a seat.
煮文味耶。
煮文味耶。This whole month is all about the phrase 浪費。
浪費。
浪費, which means to waste, and hopefully you'll enjoy a great meal without wasting too much time next time, all right? That does it for today's Practical Hakka on Icrt.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.